Today, I'm going to talk about how to use a nice paper with a balloon to make a nice paper mechanic bird. Next, uh, when people are going to make the bird, first they will find a piece of wood as is base. Then, pe- then people can make the bird stand on the wood. Uh, Most of the part the bird is made from the wires or other iron things. Look at the picture from the left. People we can see that this bird their leg is made by a small piece of wire. And for my project from art class, we just make you borrow a cutter and make the bird stand on the wood. Uh, After we finish making the leg and the body, we are going to make two wings beside the body, and actually most of the time the body is made by a balloon, and people will use the wires to cover around them and make them stable. Then people then we are going to use the wires to make them stable, and body and the legs are wildly connected. And the stable part is one of the important step from on making these kinds of bird. Mm, and after they finish making the body wings, they are going to make the tails. And when they are making the tails, they need to uh, put some piece of wood on the walls, and then uh, and check them stable. Uh, from this part, people may get a little bit confused. Uh, the first part is people use the wires to make the to cover the around the balloon, because the balloon is the body of the bird, and then people uh, use some other wireless as their wings and the tails, everything, and then people need to use a piece of paper, some piece of paper to cover around them, around the wires and the balloon. Then the birds will look much more better. When people are you are covering the bird with the paper, they need to make sure that there's no hole on the birds. If they are on, in addition, hole will make people hard to do the color painting on the next step. Hole will be different colors on the painting. It means that when people are doing the painting about their on their birds, they will see a lot of her, and it will be so terrible, and it will be looking so terrible. And then if there are some holes on the bird, people need are better need to like recover their body again by using other piece of paper. See the birds on the left. People can see that like this bird is much more better. Uh, because people when people use the paper cover better on their bird surface, their birds will not be loose like how to say, maybe loose terrible, like they will be like up and down on their surface, and compare with the right one, the head, maybe people are in struggling like covering their heads, and then their heads will like lose some up and down on their surface. And there's all the steps on how to make the paper mechanic bug. Thank you for watching.